it's your girl Viewsfromriah, the one and only, and you know better than this. And today I'm back here with another video. Today is gonna be a morning routine during quarantine, how I got rid of my dark spots just a little bit, you know. Yeah, this video is not sponsored, but I just want to let you guys know what's helping me out right now. Just stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to your friends. It's your girl Viewsfromriah. We about to get right into the video, man. So I just got out the shower. I usually actually do my face stuff in the shower because it's way easier. But since I'm doing this video, I'll do it outside the shower for you guys. Something that I've always been using before I did anything to my face or whatever. Because like I said, I never really had a routine. It was just always just putting this on. Put these on, like these little bumps right here, and then they'll go away in a day. And that's all I've ever used on my skin. And just, you know, wash it off with water and stuff. But that's all my skin routine ever was. But I noticed that with the water, it would like dry out like around my mouth. And then it's like I would wash my face in the morning and go to class. But then I'm still walking around with like, you know, dry skin right here. So I'm like, yeah, no, I need to figure out something to go ahead and add to my face because I have nice skin. I just need to find some type of moisturizer or whatever. The things you have to do to get your hair to kind of lay down. It's crazy. Anyway, guys, don't mind that I couldn't, you know, keep on doing this video with that bonnet on. I use Colgate toothbrush. And get it. Alright guys, I am back. I just got done brushing my teeth. And then after that, I just, you know, did this to my gums. Look, listen guys, I have the whole dental kit right here. I've had it for like years now. I mean, I've definitely gotten, you know, more packs because you just can't be using the same thing for years and years. But I got this because I had braces. I had braces a while ago, and this, you know, this is one of the tools that I was able to like get underneath all my brackets and stuff. But I still have my retainer. I still wear it every night, but I do brush it. Just like you brushing your teeth, you gotta brush your retainer. Remember that. Alright guys, so now we're done with the teeth portion. Now I'm going to go into my lip scrub. It's by Fenty Beauty. So I literally only use it like maybe 2 times. It has nice apricot seeds in it. And after that, I literally be letting it sit for like a good 30 minutes. While this is going, now we're gonna go into my skincare. I have been using these 2 products right here for a good month now. I don't know how much I've used, guys. Like, I literally use this thing every day. I just wanted to try it because I've seen people that I know do a video on it, probably because they probably had to. But anyway, I was like, okay, you know, let me go try. I read the reviews on the actual Palmer's website, and they were like, you know, it helped them with hyperpigmentation and dark spots and clear the face up really nice. So I was like, well, let me just try it. You know, then I got it on sale for like maybe $6.99 or something like that off of Amazon. And because I had already ordered the water, coconut water. But another disclaimer, guys, if you guys are allergic to coconuts, or, you know, if your face doesn't like coconut water, this might not be the routine for you guys. So literally, this is a coconut sugar facial scrub, polishes, exfoliates, and softens. Definitely true. Yeah, and it's made with raw coconut sugar, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Okay, I kind of use like a decent amount, but you don't need that much because, like I said, it is a scrub, and this is how it comes out. Yeah, see it, but you literally just rub it in. See that? Okay, rub it in. I'm usually in the shower when I do this, so I'm gonna get some more. But literally, that's all it is. So you just open it. Well, this is it closed. This is it open. Then you just squirt it out, and there you go. So I put it all over my face. Yo, this is hard to do in the camera. You know, here, I don't get too close to the eyes. Alright guys, so I've got all the coconut scrub off. I'm about to dry my face. Woo, you guys see the difference now? Okay guys, my face feels really smooth, really clean. You know, hello, ready to start the day off. After I do the scrub, then I put on my coconut water moisturizer. But guys, literally, this is literally just like water. Like, yeah, it's pretty thick, but it's just water. And then, look, that's it. It's very lightweight. It does smell like coconut, so if you guys are allergic to coconut water or coconuts, this is probably not the product for you to try. Probably not. You know, you're not gonna blame me for your allergic reaction, so we're not gonna do. This is literally what I've been doing to get my dark spots lighter. That's the only thing that I disliked about my skin. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. This has worked so far for a good month. I am willing to try other products to see if it clears up, you know, my dark mark. And now, your girl is moisturized. Oh yeah, so my lip scrub is off. Came off when I was doing my washing off my face part. But yeah guys, if you guys can tell, it's definitely lighter than it was a month ago. So I am excited about that. Now we're about to get into the last part of my routine. All right guys, so this is my fresh Burt's Bees. I use Burt's Bees now because I had a bad allergic reaction to Vaseline and Carmex when I was a freshman and sophomore in high school, guys. I had a bad allergic reaction. It turned my lips black pretty much, and then I had to, you know, go through that error process on what products can I use, what products can I not use. And then I have this I still have this burnt mark left. I don't know how to get rid of it, but hey, it's okay, you know. My lips are healthy now. I think I'm allergic to the petroleum in it. I'm not really for sure. I never got like a actual like allergy test. Guys, I literally tried all the chapsticks in the world. The chapsticks at Sally's, whole bunch of stuff. But Burt's Bees is the only one that's holding me down. Sponsor me. Guys, do not mind my hair. I'm telling you, it's probably gonna be a bomb twist out once it comes out, but it's just not trying to work with me today. So anyway, even after that, I was like, you know, had a crazy reaction to like lip glosses and stuff like that. So I never was like mind you guys, I've always been a lip gloss type of girl, always having shiny lips, always was me. But when I had my reaction, I couldn't even like use the Bath and Body Works stuff anymore. Victoria's Secret, can't use any of that. I never like use MAC anyway, but still. Chapsticks, lipsticks, lip glosses, your girl was having an allergic reaction to it, and I don't know what was going on. But I did try the Fenty Beauty one. I'll put the video up here for you guys to see it. But that lip gloss is pretty good. I haven't had a reaction to it, and I love it. So anyway, I'm gonna apply this to my small little bumps right here, and I have actually they kind of cleared up already, but I had like a few bumps right here. So put that on my skin real quick. And usually when I use this from Mary Kay, it goes away within a day. Not sponsored, but and literally you don't need that much, but that was not enough. Literally that's all you guys really need. And then you just put it on the area where your bumps are, and you're done. that's it, guys. And literally, like I said, it goes away in a day. You guys can even check one of my vlogs because I have like a bag, like a pimple right here or something, and I used it. Guys, that's it. I don't have any other bumps anywhere, so if I don't have any other bumps, I don't put anywhere else. Now I get my Q-tip, get my ear solution. It's almost empty because, like I said, I try to do this at least every day because I did it 2 times a day when I first got it pierced. But it's May, so it should definitely be done by now. But then I go to the other side and get the back, you know, just like that. If you guys are wondering, I got all my ear piercings besides my very first hole, which is my last hole. All my ear piercings have been from Piercing Pagoda in the mall. You know, they say that you're not supposed to get your ears pierced by a gun, but hey, it's never been a bad process to me, so yeah. But this feels so good, man. This is pretty much the end of the video. I'm about to clean off my glasses with this nice little to-go travel case. All right, guys, thanks for watching Through My Eyes. This was my mini skincare routine, mini get ready with me, mini morning routine during quarantine. This is just a whole bunch in one. You know, how to get rid of your dark spot. Man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to your friends. I just want to let you guys know what's been working for me for this good a month. And I'm very excited to see, you know, what happens next. If you guys want another month update, comment down below in the comments. Came in my giveaway box from Palmer's. So maybe, you know, I can do a video on trying this. Never done a face mask before. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't too long. And comment down below what you want to see more of. All right, guys. Bye.